All right, what up, y'all? So, quick job today. Got a new engine mount or torque mount, whatever you call it, but should be easy to swap out. I don't know if you can see, but this one is just kind of dry rotting a little bit and cracking in some spots. So, yeah, looking kind of rough. So, before it gets all the way bad, figure I'd go ahead and swap this out. All you need is a 13 millimeter for this, 15 millimeter bolt for these two, 15 right here, and 15 right here. So pretty simple, straightforward. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff loose real quick. All right, so once you get this middle bolt right here out, it'll be easier for you to actually move this stuff around to get it out, because I don't believe you can just slide this whole thing back with this, being so close to the engine. So do this middle one first, which is a super long bolt. There we go. So yeah, once you get that out, then you're able to lift that up. So I still got to undo these two, but then you can just pull this out and it's out the way. So I don't know if I recorded this or not last time, but I had to take all of this apart when I changed out the radiator and the thermostat, like maybe a month or two ago. So if you feel like watching that, I put that on here too. But yeah. And these bolts, I think, were kind of long too. Yeah. So pretty straightforward job. So yeah, those, and we got this out. So yeah, you can see it's a little wore out, you know, not all the way gone, but pretty pretty well on the way. So as opposed to the new one, which is nice and solid. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this other bolt out, and I don't know if this is supposed to wiggle like this either, but go ahead, get this out and drop the new one in. This bolt, you might be better off with an extension or take off this dipstick, because without an extension, this is kind of, you're up against that little tube. So might want to just put an extension on there, get that away from this. But yeah, just a heads up. Okay, so actually you don't have to take out this middle bolt to you can just drop it in like so. What do you know? So I'll go ahead and slap all of this back together. Can I do this with one hand? Maybe not. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, not too bad. And yeah. But yeah, this might take a little persuasion, but that's it. And you got yourself a new mount.